Morning, shoppers. Let's like the stream just before we start. Can we kindly like the stream? And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. We are about to mark the register now. Kindly like the stream. Right. It's a Friday today. Month. I would say this is month end. In South Africa from the 25th, we normally say it's month end, and we all know during times like this, you have a lot of traders wanting to take advantage and see if they can withdraw for a Friday. Well, are we taking it as that day? I would say. Is it one of those Fridays, or please let's say ensure that we like the stream. Just going to start my analysis with WTI here this morning. Please allow me to remove my camera for this session, as long as you can hear me and you can see the screen. I think that's what matters for now. Just before, let's mark the register. Let's mark the register. Right. WTI. Yesterday we were looking for buying opportunities on WTI, and as you can clearly see, let me just wait for it to load here. Come on. Right. We had a retracement back at $74.95 there on WTI. Just after we had the retest, we had this drop here. But yesterday, what happened was we wanted to get some buying opportunities, right? Especially from this point here. So we had a level that we had marked that we go retest. We can look to reload, get more buying opportunities there. However, this thing was up like 0.70% and it decided to drop from $75.82. And that's when we had a drop back to $74.43. My take today would have to be if we go back to decisions from there, and maybe I can take it from 70. Yeah, I can maybe take it back to $73 because this is where we had this rejection here. So we had touched the $73.58 today, and are we going back to this level here? Well, there's a high possibility that we are. Gold yesterday we were bullish. I think TMS yesterday was looking for short-term selling opportunities, and I was saying to him, look, there's nothing that is keeping you from taking those short-term positions on gold, because overall we were bullish. Remember, we've been buying gold from this lows here, $2,663 an ounce, and reloaded again at $2,680 an ounce. We missed the reload here at 2,700 because that was our initial price target there, to reach 2,700. Reloaded again at $2,725 an ounce there, but we couldn't get a reload here at $2,727. We said break retest 2,750. We can initially go up and possibly go to 2,780. This is where we are anticipating this thing to go. So yeah, for those of you that bought gold as we had anticipated yesterday, you should be good. You should be good by now. Something should be happening by now, right? Something should be given by now. So yeah, gold, we will remain bullish until further notice and then take it from there. German, let's address this German, man. I don't know what is happening here. 21,500 finally reached it. I think it was Taban yesterday was holding sells, right? And as much as I was telling you that I'm looking for selling opportunities, so my analysis was like this yesterday, that we can find this thing dropping from 21,300, right? That was my take yesterday. However, I put my, and you see the importance of having a fixed range, right? Imagine if I didn't have a fixed range, right? I could have also came in, and there was someone, I think, is it Matinate or something yesterday, he was saying he's already in on German 40, and I said, we are looking for selling opportunities on German 40. However, we are not going to just jump on it like we want to. We need to break below our POC. POC was trading at 21,290. So this is initially what we waited. Break below, we have a retest around this area, and we go to the downside. So that was our take on German 40 yesterday. We didn't want to rush it. We didn't want to how train this thing. We wanted to see a break at that level, then we can take it from there. However, we saw this thing move by 1% yesterday. I think around 7 p.m. Central African time. I saw this thing up by 1% just yesterday. So what does it tell you? It also tells you that 21,500 was the initial target. My take is I'm still going to look for selling opportunities today. Right? Right, my POC is just below that. So I need to see if maybe I can have something like this. Then I'm dropping, right? If you look at 1 hour, I think I have my divergence, right? Not the nicest, but there is something forming there that I can use as an entry reason. something like that. So I have a bit of eye, right? So yeah, I'm looking for selling opportunities on German 40 today. Choppers, please don't forget to like the stream, like the stream, like the stream. We are now on our way to 4,100. So we are growing much in a very safe pace, right? So let's do the right thing, like that. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, you know what to do. You know what to do. Subscribe. Okay, so that's our take here on German 40. We are bearish today. NAS 100, let's have a recap of what we looked at yesterday. So our initial direction yesterday on this was we wanted to reload. I think this was Wednesday, 21,600. However, we didn't get that retracement back there, and I said to you yesterday, maybe from this level we can go to the upside, or break above 21,800, we can look to go to the upside. And this is where we were, right? Yesterday we said maybe if we retest back to this level, we can look for selling opportunities. However, if we go above, we can look for buying opportunities. I'm going to kindly request that I have a clean chart on this. If you look at 1 hour, we are just playing in this level here. Excuse me. My take on this would be, if I'm going to look for selling opportunities on this, at least break below 21,745. POC level, let me see my fixed range. POC is at 21,800, but this time I'm not going to go with the POC. I'm going to go with this level because this level looks like a key level for me. Anything that will break below, then I can look for selling opportunities. So I'm going to be bearish on NASDAQ today. US30. Now US30 yesterday, we spoke about this level. The consolidation level that we are having around 44,183 and 44,049, right? So we said break retest, look to go to the upside. Again, you are having that consolidation. I think you know by now what is it we are going to do here. We break retest all the way to the upside. Anything that breaks retest, then I can look to go to the downside. That's what I have there. What is it that you are trading? Please let me know. What are you trading? Let's mark the register. We've got Sange's in the house. Sange, it's been a long time, my friend. You are hiding these days. I don't see you on the live stream. Tidis is also in the house. Tidis is the first man on the ball. Good morning, Mr. President, and all the choppers in the house. Good morning, my good sir. Sis Nontan is also in the house. Happy Friday to you, Mr. President. Morning, choppers. Secretary General is also here. Our very own Figil Mbalula is in the house. Danny Voto 25. Good to see you, my friend. Happy Friday, Mr. President, and all the choppers. Cinematic Mzanzi saying happy Friday. TBG is also good to see you. Inito is in the house. Good to see you, my friend. Sia Pizzi, Sia, what's up, my friend? It's been a long time as well. We've got Kolofelo as well. NEB, good morning, Mr. President, and good morning, choppers. Tatenda is also in the house. Good to see you, my friend. Who's holding US buy since last week? It's a question there from Sia. Lucy says good morning from Nairobi, Kenya. Also good to see you there, my friend Lucy. I'm not sure if you were here during the course of the week, Lucy, but otherwise good to see you. Euro dollar up by 0.46%. Let's do a recap. Remember this when we spoke about 1, 2, 3 strike zone, right? we wanted to sell here. I mean, buy at this level here. Remember, $1.03 is a level that we spoke about yesterday. However, on 5 minutes, I wanted to scalp this thing. If you're attending the live stream, you would remember this. Yesterday, I wanted to scalp this thing here. I wanted to scalp here. Remember when I said to you, retail traders always like doing something like this, break, retest, and they come to this level and we go to the upside. So yeah, that is my take, man. That is my take. This will not be the nicest rejection we would have. At least something like this here was gonna make sense to look for buying opportunities. So Danny is asking, can you please give a take on euro dollar? I'm bullish, my friend, all the way. I'm bullish all the way. What I would basically look at is to see if I can buy at a discount. If this is my intraday price peak, 1, 2, take my fee from my lowest point to my highest point and see if maybe I can get a position there. So I'm bullish there, my friend. British pound USD, same setup. Same setup. This is what we spoke about, 1, 2, 3 there, but I don't think this arrived at our 786. This didn't arrive at our 786. Our 786 was around $1.22. However, still I'm bullish on it. Let me see what we have on 15 minutes. This is my take on British pound USD intraday setup. That is just my take. Let's have a look at Bitcoin, man. Remember we got stopped out yesterday in the early hours of the morning on Bitcoin on break even, right? Oh, my chart is a bit messy. Let me just remove a lot of things that I have here so that I can explain it well. Our entry was around 102, as you could remember. Our entry was around 102. We took it up to 107. Put stop loss on break even when we were like 70% clock to TP. And yeah, we got stopped out, man, here. We got stopped out here. So if we break below, I'm gonna try to see if I can sell to the downside. For now, I don't see any reason of going bullish, because if I'm gonna try to be bullish, I'm late. To be honest with you, if I'm gonna try to be bullish, I'm probably late, right? But if I'm gonna look for selling opportunities, I have to break retest same price 102, then I'm all in for a sell, right? Sang is looking to sell British pound USD. Tilis is saying I'm always on German 30 in the morning. Yeah, man, I think we might get that selling chance we've been looking for. I think maybe we might get it. There's a high chance that we might get it. There's a high chance that we might get it. Let's just monitor it. Shoppers, let's like the stream. Can we kindly like the stream? Let's like the stream. Yeah, man, we might get something on this German 40. A retracement back at 21,500, maybe. Somewhere here with the rejection candle. That's when I'm gonna look for my sell executions there. AUD USD, forgot to check it out. Let's see. That's our take on AUD USD. Wanted to break retest 62 cents and then take it to the upside there. It's done, man. Currently trading at 63 cents. So it's done. If you didn't catch it at this low here, chances are you are most probably late, right? So today, new day. We have a level here. Something like this on AUD USD. So I think I'm going to be pretty much bullish on this. Let me know again if you're gonna join me on a sell setup on German 40 as well as a buy on WTI. I think those are my two trades for this session. I think that's what looks proper for me. I think German 40 sell and WTI buy looks proper for me this morning. Let me know in the comment section, what are you trading this morning? I know Sange is looking at GBP USD, Danuvu is looking at Euro Dollar, Tiris is looking at German 30. See, I was asking who's holding buys for US30. Who else? The rest of you, I don't know what you are trading this morning. Just let me know there. What is it that you're looking at this morning? Cinematic, Zanz is looking at WTI and British pound, USD. Lang is looking at DAQ. Secretary General is looking at GU. SG is asking me what price you're looking to buy WTI. I don't really have the price at the moment because I don't know how far we're gonna go up and how far I'm gonna have a spike on my entry level. So remember, I need this, so I don't know how much this thing is going to give me. Maybe because I'm just going to rely on a few cents, right? So that it gives me the most possible discount I could get out of this trade. So I don't have price as yet because I'm just studying how we go to the upside. If this is impulsive to the upside, I need to figure out how impulsive is it going to be, and when I have my correction, I need to also understand how am I going to be correcting, number one, and how am I going to be getting my rejection there. So I don't have price as yet, my friend. I'll let you know once I have something there. The AQ has been causing headache lately, man. This thing is not stopping for anyone. It's been causing a lot of a headache lately. SG is also looking for a sell on GU. TBG is holding a buy on G, targeting $1.2475. That is my take on GU. So yeah, I'm bullish on GU, but as you know by now, I like buying at the discount. I like discounts. Haven't hit TP on euro dollar. What were you doing there, my friend? I'm sure you bought. I'm sure you bought there. Again, discount at $1.04, 11 somewhere there. That's what I was looking for, my discount. Is the Secretary General was asking me about my price on WTI. You see, that's the reason why I say I don't have price at the moment, because I don't know if we are going to be impulsive from here or not. So at the moment, it's just playing in one place, right? And if you can check 5 minutes, you would essentially see that this price is not going anywhere. I mean, we just broke above and we are now coming back to that consolidation zone, so it's not really going anywhere. That's the reason why I don't have prices yet. German, just want to see there. So Evan took his TP on EU, right? And just entered the selling position now. What I see is yo at the moment. I don't know what that yo has to do with my friend. I hope you're not banning. But the way you tapped it there, especially with capital letters, it looks like you are banning, my friend. It looks like you are banning there. Yeah, by the way, guys, there's news. There's news now, I think. Yeah, you're right. There is news. At 10:30, we have German flash manufacturing PMI, right? At 10:30. So yeah, Evan, you just need to be careful there, my friend. Just be careful. I think today is going to be a busy day for Euro, busy day for British Pound. So you gotta be careful when you take those setups today. Japan as well. But Japan is done. It's done. done. Evan is saying the second trade hit SL on that week. I guess this current week here at $1.488. I'm sorry, man. Yeah, but look, Evan, if your risk reward was 1:2 on the first one, and your second one was still 1:2, you're still safe. I could say you didn't lose, right? You should be up at least by something. If Eben took 2 trades on EU, first trade he was risking $50. Again, ladies and gentlemen, this is an example. If he was risking $50, he won $100. Second trade, he's risking again $50. He lost $50. Then he should be up by $50. Then you should be good, my friend. I don't know how many times I stress on this, choppers, that if you trade like this, I'm telling you, you know, when they say less stress on you, you don't care about the accuracy of your trades. You don't really care. Because numbers are working in your favor. Numbers will always work in your favor. So if Evan did like this, he shouldn't really even worry, because at least you are up by something. I'm telling you, if you trade like this, you won't have those days where you are depressed all the time and you know what to do. You won't think of fasting, you won't think of going to a river for cleansing and all those things. You'll just take it easy, man. Like, I always say, even if you win 50% of the time and lose 50% of the time, you're still safe, my friend. You're still good. For me, a trader that wins 50% of the time, for me, I have a special respect for that trader, right? The one that wins 50% of the time, that's an exceptional trader. If you win 50% of the time, but with a good risk reward, to just win 50% of the time with a bad risk reward, you're not profitable. So I always say accuracy versus risk reward. So I always tell people, do you want to be accurate or do you want numbers to work in your favor? Evan has just recently started trading 1 minute. TMSF, for those who just joined the stream, please subscribe. And those who unsubscribe, please do. Like the stream and subscribe. Thank you, my friend. We need that. We need that. We need that. We need that. Where are we now? 4,080 people. We need more. We need more. We need more. We need more. Let's be 4,100 by Sunday. It's Friday today. By Sunday, we should be on 4,100. Oradile saying TTSA hit 100,000 mark. Yeah, man. Indeed, we're celebrating that yesterday. Thank you so much. If you are here, you have subscribed on this channel, please do me a favor. Go on Top Traders channel as well. Subscribe. Subscribe. Just go there and subscribe. As easy as that. Go there and subscribe. TTSA already a subscriber on TTSA. Thank you, my friend. There's a whole lot of things, happening in the industry. As much as you have people that are positive about what TTSA is doing, and you have people that are negative. Like, man, one thing about me is that I told myself that you cannot be loved by everybody. No matter how good you can be, no matter how handsome and beautiful you can be, not I love you. Not everyone is gonna like you. That's it. But as long as 99% say you're doing a good thing, then why not? Guys, we have someone that is flying here. Our own Eben, let's try to be with him there. What's happening there on 1 minute? Oops, what am I doing? Is that a re-entry there, Eben? Please let us know. Did you have a re-entry there? Let's not forget our sell on German, guys, eh? Let's not forget our sell on German there. You need to say, I'm sure even if Instagram were to shut down, gurus will scam using. Yeah, indeed. Let me tell you something, Enigma, my friend. So, I'm doing courses. Well, remember I told you I'm doing courses. I'm doing a course about public speaking, right? Especially on international platforms. And if there's one thing they will teach you about someone that is on the media, right, is never say no comment. It's a bad thing. But Enigma, my friend, on that one I can safely say no comment. No comment, my friend. No comment. I guess I guess Evan got something there saying Apia Manga. Well done, my friend. Well done. Well done. Alright, choppers, like I said, I'm only going to be here for an hour. See you again on Monday. I just have to rush somewhere. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in.